Microsoft hasn't released the Windows 11 26H2 ISO file officially yet, but today I'll show you how to download it safely. Let's start. Hey everyone, and this is Sudama. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to download Windows 11 26H2 ISO. So let's begin. First of all, open the browser, search by UEP-dump, open the website. UEP-dump is a trusted compatibility tool that pulls original Windows files directly from Microsoft server and converts them into ISO. So this is not cracked or modified Windows, it's official Microsoft content. From here, choose Tape Channel, and from there, choose 26300.7760 AMD. Click on it, choose your language, click Next. Now choose your edition, Windows Home or Windows Pro. Click Next. Now here, keep the default settings. That's download and convert into ISO and include updates. Click on Create a download package. Now it's done. Now you can see it's downloaded. Now, you download another tool, that's Rufus. Go to the Rufus website and scroll. Here is the latest one. Click on it and download will be started. It's done. Now you can close the browser. Go to this PC and go to download. And now right click on the zip file, extract all, extract. Now you can delete the zip file. And now open the folder. Now run the UEP and it's called download and it's called Windows. Select it and right click on it. Run as administrator. Click on run. Click on yes. Minimize this. Now type R. Hit enter. Now wait. It will automatically download the files and generate your ISO file. Once it's done, close it. Go to the folder again. You'll see Windows 11 26H2 ISO file, just like this.